A 30 by 40 by 14 metal building can serve numerous functions, such as storage, workshops, garages, commercial or residential purposes, among others. With its customizable features, you can create a building that meets your specific requirements. Whether you require a space to store your equipment, vehicles, or other possessions, a 30 by 40 by 14 metal building can offer you a sturdy and budget-friendly solution. They can withstand severe weather conditions and require minimal maintenance, making them a great long-term investment. So if you are in need of a durable and quality structure for your property, look no further than Allen's Factory Outlet. You only have to pay a small deposit, and you won't have to pay the rest until your order has been delivered. Our buildings are made to order in the USA, so you get the structure you need with the best quality. And the best part? Free delivery and installation is included for each and every order. Also, if you order a 12-gauge tubing for your metal building, you'll receive our 20-year rust-through warranty. So why wait? Get your metal building from Allen's Factory Outlet today. Visit our website at allensfactoryoutlet.com and start creating the best structure for your property. There's a link in the description. We'll see you there.